Dubai is on the verge of achieving a number of its goals, including being the world's smartest city and a hub for business and partnerships, with policies that promote innovation, investment, and the development and implementation of cutting-edge technology. In this video, we will look at how Dubai will become the AI capital and its $320 billion profit strategy. Hello everyone, my name is Alex. Welcome back to our channel, AI News Daily. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so that you will not miss out on any of our updates. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word Dubai? It's oil, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is likely to be a massive game changer in the global economy with a lot of money to be made. We anticipate that by 2031, AI will contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy, more than China and India combined. Dubai, the UAE's and one of the world's leading economies, has moved its attention to new and future technologies to help enhance efficiency and profitability in major industries. According to research, the federal government of Dubai undertakes about 250 million paper transactions annually in the form of paperwork and legal documentation. Furthermore, these transactions are completed by hand, resulting in the expenditure of nearly 190 million hours of labor. Due to the high expenses of the process, Dubai's government developed its Artificial Intelligence Strategy 2031, which aims to integrate AI-based technologies into the public sector in order to reduce costs and increase profitability. To that goal, the government has launched over 100 smart initiatives and 1,000 smart services to improve seamlessness and sustainability, as well as to revolutionize how government services are given to citizens, hence enhancing their happiness quotient. Dubai was recently recognized by the United Nations as a role model for a smart, sustainable, and resilient metropolis as a result of its groundbreaking initiatives. The city is poised to become one of the world's smartest cities and a leader in technology and innovation, with initiatives such as the Dubai Data Strategy, Dubai 10X, Smart Dubai 2021, Dubai Blockchain Strategy, and Dubai Pulse Platform, among others, influencing the lives of not only its citizens, but also businesses that will benefit from these endeavors. The city is making daily procedures and operations more efficient by creating a world-class infrastructure that supports and fosters the development, business, and innovation. Education, transportation, defense, space exploration, and energy are among the industries Dubai seeks to improve through AI. The Ministry of Artificial Intelligence in Dubai, led by His Highness Omar Sultan Al Olama, is investing billions of dollars in the adoption, development, and deployment of AI. His Highness Omar Sultan Al Olama had previously said, in 10 years, Dubai will become the capital of AI in service and government. His ultimate vision is to make everyone in Dubai, including restaurants and visitors, feel like they are living in the future. Dubai's government has been significantly investing in AI-based solution providers in order to establish itself as a worldwide leader. Dubai has received more than $21 billion in foreign direct investments in the field of AI alone as a result of its heightened interest. When did all of these plans and projects start in Dubai? Make sure to see the video completely to find out and consider subscribing to the channel. Dubai's push into cutting-edge technology began in 2016 when His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai, unveiled the inaugural $270 million Vision Fund, which included a specialized accelerator program. The fund has given a stable basis for growing startups and enterprises in the field of AI research and development during the previous 4 years. The success rate of Dubai's accelerator program has investors all around the world enthralled. Over 4,000 applications were received in only a few years. Dubai's commitment to merging private organizations into governmental duties in order to improve the lives of its citizens better is what actually sets it apart from the others. Dubai is able to attract the brightest individuals to its country, handle key issues in various sectors, and offer cutting-edge solutions by combining government organizations with these private entities. This has lifted regional player spirits, as local firms have begun experimenting with AI technology with noteworthy results. This has defined Dubai's success, as it currently stands head and shoulders above the competition when it comes to AI-based technology. Dubai is well on its way to becoming the world's smartest city, a podium place it intends to carve itself into by the year 2021 by investing significantly in businesses to increase their interests in the Middle East. This strategy has sparked a desire for next generation apps that can help lead the charge in this revolution for various government services as well as industries by creating solutions to bridging gaps. Dubai is the largest center for information and communication technology, or ICT, business in the MENA, Middle East, and North Africa region, with over 1,600 businesses in the industry. Progressive policies and initiatives have contributed to the city's status as the third best in the world to live and work. More investors are coming to the region due to government-backed residency programs and legislation allowing for 100% foreign ownership. In tandem with IBM, Dubai has established a first-of-its-kind AI lab, which uses AI technology and machine learning to improve government and city experiences and services. It also aims to assist the community and companies in making better use of technology to improve their functioning and operations. In the meanwhile, an increasing number of cloud service providers, such as IBM, are establishing data centers in the UAE. According to several local firms, while the region is regarded as being culturally conservative, its AI strategies are more liberal and aggressive. Governments and companies across the Middle East recognize the worldwide move toward AI and sophisticated technologies in the aftermath of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. They had to decide whether to participate in the technological revolution or risk being left behind. When it comes to the region's economic impact, being left behind was not an option. According to research, AI's potential contribution to the world economy could reach about $16 trillion by 2030, with the Middle East accounting for 2% of the total global AI benefits. This translates to $320 billion. The UAE, where AI is predicted to contribute close to 14% of GDP, and Saudi Arabia, where AI is expected to contribute close to 13% of GDP in 2030, are expected to benefit the most. The contribution of AI to these two nations' economies is comparable to the economies of Southern Europe and developed Asia. Through the invention of new innovative services and entirely new business models, AI has the potential to radically disrupt markets in the Middle East. The initial wave of digitalization has already had an impact. In 10 or even 5 years, some of the industry leaders may become businesses you've never heard of, thanks to AI's explosion. Tomorrow's market leaders are likely to be studying possibilities and formulating tactics. In the present situation, the area will be able to profit from the AI phenomena and pump $320 billion into the economy. There is so much more up for grabs and countless chances if governments and corporations foster and develop AI to its full potential. The adoption potential of AI varies per sector. According to studies, the financial industry offers the greatest opportunity for AI in the Middle East, with 25% of all AI investment in the area expected to be spent on creating AI solutions by 2021. The industrial sector is followed by the public sector, which includes education and healthcare. AI's influence in the industrial sector will depend on factors like the ability to automate processes. AI is most likely to benefit labor-intensive industries like retail and healthcare, which have more room for automation. AI adoption is predicted to boost labor productivity in these areas significantly. Despite the larger potential for direct benefits in specific industries, the gains are unlikely to be concentrated in the industries that develop and use AI technology. As these industries develop as a result of AI's direct effects, their need for inputs from other sectors will rise as well. Similarly, the higher pay linked with better labor productivity in these industries will boost consumer demand across the economy. These indirect and induced effects of AI are expected to be felt by businesses and consumers across the economy, and they will contribute to AI's overall economic impact. The world is moving towards AI, and the area has the potential to have a vital role in the global stage at this early stage of development. Based on recent initiatives and developments in the UAE, particularly in Dubai, the city appears to be on course to meet its objectives. However, there are more unexplored prospects that might boost AI's economic influence in the region. The federal government still has a long way to go, but one thing is obvious. Even if Dubai doesn't accomplish its goal, it will not be due to a lack of effort. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. What do you think of Dubai's strategy to become the AI capital? Do let us know in the comment section. Do tell in the comment section if you have any suggestions on what topics we should do videos on. For those who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever there's an update from us. We will see you soon with yet another exciting video. Till then,